Thursday. Here's some things we're getting ready. It's hurricane prep time. Tasty Thursday wise. Hi, I'm Nica Waters. Welcome to Tasty Thursday. It's hurricane prep day. I'm so sorry. That's just what's going on in our world. What kind of food might you stock if you think a hurricane is coming your way? Let me show you what I'm putting together for our preparations as we get ready to head down to the boat to make sure she's safe and sound during Hurricane Florence. So I'm going to raid my collection of bars because we may not have power. So I've got some nuts. Luckily I got a few of those. I've got a couple of Z bars, a couple of these bars. Probably need to take a couple more things. Look, I got a couple of fruit things. So this is what I got going on. Oh, looks like I got a couple of Nica bars. Awesome. Got some bananas that need to be eaten. Fantastic. So as I'm thinking about what I'm going to take with us as we go down to the boat, I'm looking at things that can be that will give us lots of energy, that require no refrigeration either to store or to eat, and don't require any energy other than what we're eating. So yeah, I've got a few bars. I've got some dried fruit. I've got crackers. I've got granola. Probably going to take a few yogurts. We can eat them pretty quickly if the weather goes bad and we have no electricity. Spider web. Lines. Going here. Going to a tree. Lines going across to the other dock. And we got lines going to that dock over there. Spider web. That's the definition. And wherever you happen to be, if you're anywhere near a hurricane, I hope you are safe and dry. And remember, the most important thing is to take care of your life. Anything else can always be replaced, but you totally can't. Have the most spectacularly safe week.